Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 313. The number 313 is made up of the qualities and energies of the number 3 and the energies of the number 1. The number 3 shows up twice, so its effects are doubled and amplified. Number 3 has to do with growth, expansion, and the laws of increase. It also has to do with creativity, spontaneity, open-mindedness, self-expression and communication, encouragement and help, and skills and talents. The Ascended Masters are also drawn to the number 3. Number 1 is about self-leadership and assertiveness, taking the lead, following your instincts and intuition, starting over, and taking a new approach. It also has to do with motivation, moving forward, and making progress, and it tells us that our intentions, thoughts, and beliefs shape our own lives. So, 313 is the number of hope, excitement, communication, creativity, and growth. Angel number 313 is a message from your angels that your strong connection to the angelic realm and the Ascended Masters is helping you stay positive, light, and optimistic about your life. Angels are guiding you to the next steps on your path, so pay close attention to your intuition and inner wisdom. Trust the messages and nudges and take action in a positive way with confidence and excitement. It's time to live your truths and express yourself with clarity, purpose, passion, and love. Be a good example for other people. Angel number 313 is a sign that your guardian angels are there to help you. You to have a more positive and hopeful outlook, and give you the tools you need to walk the path you choose with confidence and grace. Be ready to grow your spirituality in new and interesting ways, and look for ways to express yourself creatively from the heart. Use your natural interests, skills, and personality to make other people happy and lift them up. Angel number 313 means that loving, positive energies are all around you. Take advantage of these wonderful, lucky energies and use them in creative ways to help yourself and others. Show off your best self. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.